Good afternoon, everyone, and once again, thank you for watching into my YouTube channel. So for today's segments, none other than our One Piece OP10. Yes, guys, this is my first time that I'm going to unbox this OP10. So another day, another unboxing. So the chase in here is the God pack. I don't know if you have a God pack. I'm not pretty sure, but I do believe there is a God pack, which is the all the leader cards and a manga. The manga in here is none other than Law, Trafalgar Law. So without further ado, let's begin. All right. So we need a good vibes for today because this is a December month, which is a lot of the you know what the seasons is, right? It's a gift giving season, something like that, and a Christmas also as well. So before we start to rip these packs, I just want to greet you all a Merry Christmas, everyone. 2, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so we do 6 by 6. At least it's Hi. Alright. There you go. Oh, I didn't cut it correctly. My goodness. So guys, this is my so long I never pulled any good hits in the One Piece. But of course, because I never unbox also the One Piece so long, so that's why. Okay, I think this one is a normal leader card in a sense. Yeah, it is a normal leader card, a base leader card in a sense. All right, let's do this. Okay, Law, nice. A base leader card of Law, and the rare card, event card. Okay, yeah, because Usopp also is in this series is a leader card also as well. So this one is a rare card. Yeah, so that's why he got the base leader card in a sense. I do believe this one is a strong leader. I'm not pretty sure. Sugar. Okay, rare card, Ivankov. Robin, nice. Bonnie. Okay, this one is what? Oh, it's a rare card. Yeah, it's a rare card. I thought it's a SR. It looks like SR to me. Okay. Isho. Oh, this one is Momora, if I'm not wrong. Oh, who is this? Sanji or Sambo? I'm not very sure, guys. But yeah. All right. Our first 6. Okay, second 6 packs. Hold on. I need to put this because I on my laptop in here. Be careful of cutting. Later I accidentally cut the card. It happens to me, guys. It happens to me before. I'll cut my own card. Luckily it's my own card. It's not the customer card, or and luckily it's not the hits. Okay, 2 SR in here. All right, let's do this. Oh, the Dawn. Oh, nice, huh? This is my first time that I see this Don. It's very nice. It's Donquixote, Doflamingo, Perona. Who is this? Nami. Okay. Rare card. Ooh, Koala. Rare event card. Okay, our first SR, Don Quixote. Alright. Okay, ooh, Sanji, rare card. Who is this? Okay, rare card. I don't know who. Okay, the second 6 packs. Alright. Let's see what we can get. Come on. Enjoy. Alright. Okay. We will do the thing. Oh, I thought it's 2 SRI so that time. So okay. I don't know. Let's begin. Okay. Miho, rare card. Oh, killer. Who's this? I don't know. And event. Oh, nice. God Usopp. Nice. The manga thing, huh? Ooh. Oh, it's a AA. I thought, is this a AA? Alternate arts? I'm not pretty sure, guys. I think it's a alternate arts. So I believe this one is a AA. Yeah, I think so. So it's a AA box, guys. Okay, second SR. Who is this? Katakuri? Oh, Gecko. Gecko Moria. Unfortunately, who is this? Oh, Marco. Nice. Unfortunately, it's a AA box. But it's okay. This is my first time that I unbox this OP10 in a sense. So yeah, that is a little bit unfortunate for today, but it's okay. We still moving forward on the unboxing things. Oh, and so the SR there. Very hard to define if it is a AA or what. Okay, so it's a AA box literally because this one is a SR. I don't know who is this. Alright, our fourth SR. So definitely it's a toe box. Oh, Luffy rare card. Who is this? Robin? I don't know. Ooh, Sugar. So cute. Okay, rare card, event card. Alright. Oh, Zoro. Very nice, guys. The rare card. And end up with, who is this? Tashigi? Alright, it's a little bit tall, but it's okay. It's a part of the unboxing thing. And since this is my first unboxing thing, so yeah, definitely to put a little bit. Okay, there we go. We put the this one and put inside the Alright, this is our first AR hits from the OP10 and the rest is a SR. Okay, we will do the hold on, we put this. So at least, you know, there you go. Alright, this one is this one is Don card. Okay, so we'll do the recap, a short recap in this hits. So SR, is this Gecko? I don't know. Tell me guys in the comment down below there, who is this guy? I don't know. Really. Even this person also as well. Who's the character is this? Not very sure. I know this one also. It's a Doflamingo, a good leader also as well. And the Don is a, and this one. I think this one. Oh, Lin. This is Lin. Okay. Oh, so this is Lin also. Okay, understand. It's Lin. Nice. So our first hits in this is Lin for our first attempt of the One Piece OP10. I don't know what is the title of this box. I'm not pretty sure, but that is our hits from OP10, guys. And I'm going to keep all the rare in here, rare cards. Okay, so guys, do me a favor, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, so please go ahead and subscribe, and of course don't forget to click the notification bell for the update or new update of the video that is going to be uploaded, so you will be notified if there is a new videos will be uploaded. Okay, and of course don't forget to hit like, share, and comment down below also as well if you have any suggestions or whatsoever, so go ahead and put it into the comment sections down there. Okay guys, so see you on my next video for the unboxing. There is a few unboxing will be happening. Okay, so see you guys on my next video and have a good day. Goodbye.